guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Casey Kelly Joyce. So today I came to show you how you can make fish. So this is the ingredients that I'm going to use for the fish. Basically the fish, I'm doing it for somebody and then I'm doing it for someone else. It's not for me. So the person wanted me to use those ingredients, but if you like onion and spring onions, what you can do, you can mix those ingredients with onion and spring onion, then blend it and you mix it with the fish. So what you can do, for example, if you're going to make the fish tomorrow, you can blend everything and then mix it today with the fish, like at night time with the fish, and leave it with the ingredients. Then you make your fish tomorrow morning or afternoon, whatever. So I'm not going to use onion or spring onion because the person doesn't like it. If it was mine, I would use onion and spring onion with all those ingredients, but it's his, so I'm not going to use it. I'll do what he asked me to do. So mbote nambala ninyo so ya Casey Kelly Joyce TV. Lelo na yeko like sabino ndenge nini okoki kosala mabundu. Donc mabundu na osala ezapo na ngate, ezapo na mutu mususu asengi nga na salela e. Me pona mutu wana asengi na salela e, alingi kaka na salela ba ingredient o na osalela. Donc toza na kip magie, toza na jumbo na biso, pe toza na muscade na biso. Me soki olingaka onion, matungulu na ndembi, okoki konika matungulu na yo. Oniki matungulu na yo na ba epice onga na zo laksa nini oyo kip magina nini yoso oniki yango apres osangisi yango na kati ya mbisi na yo, apres osali yango lokwa na pokwa otumbi lobi na tongo. Me lokola na osala eza ya ngate, moyena sala matungulu na ba ndembe ezate eza pona mutu, donc faut osala ndenge o ya lingi to osala ndenge ya lingeli. Me soki yo osepeli okoki pe kocha matungulu, okoki pe kocha ndembi, osangisi yango po mabundu na biso to osala ya kokalinga. Donc biloko to osalela ye eza kaka oyo to cha matungulu tena ndembi. So on here I'm going to make cassava leaf. So on my cassava leaves I will put dry fish inside. Dry fish inside. So awa to osala susu pondu na biso. Na kati ya pondu na biso to ocha mbisi oyo ya kokauka na kati. So I'm going to use the catfish. That's how it looks like. This smoked and dry. So that's what I'm going to put inside our cassava leaves. Mbisi na biso to osala iza mbisi oyo ba chaka na ba sachet ya mikie po toza na nzombo te, toza pe na mungusu te, donc to osalela oyo ona la sabino yango nde na sombaki. So tali papier nango eza boye. Bakomi boyango nde to ocha na kati ya pondu na biso. And those are the ingredients that I'm going to use on our cassava leaves. So we have to wash it. We didn't wash it yet, so we have to wash it before you put it inside your cassava leaves. Don't use it like this. You have to make sure that you wash it properly and it's not dirty. Donc oyo biloko na biso to na kati ya pondu. Soko zo lamba pondu na yo fo sokola pena ba biloko na yo okocha na kati. Po soki te pondu na yo ekozala mabele. Sokola yango pena bien salite nyonso tu elongwe. Après na simande okolambela pondu na yo kolambela ngo boye te po boye. Donc na salite na mabele bokoka kolia biloko te. Make sure pena osokoli ba biloko na yo bien. So this is what we're going to use. So stay tuned guys and see how we're going to cook our food. May God bless you. So guys, what I'm going to do here, the dry fish that I'm going to use for cassava leaves is very hard. So I'm not going to use it like this. I just put it inside the bowl and then I'm going to pour hot water, then leave it for about 10 minutes. Because it's not really hard, but it's just, you can't use it like this. Because if you use it like this, it's not going to be nice. So you have to put it at least in hot water and then leave it for 5 or 10 minutes. It depends. And then you can cook with it. So like this, no, it can never work. So mbisi na biso to olambela na pondu eza makasi. donc tokoki kolamba ngo boye te, faut totia ngo na mai ya moto, totiki yango mpona 5 bien 10 minutes po eza pena nzombo te. Donc tozo need kotokisa yango te, kosala yango soki ndenge te, otia yango ka na mai ya moto, otiki yango 5 à 10 minutes, then onini otie nde okosokola mbisi na yo. Après okotia yango na kati ya pondu. But for now we're just gonna pour hot water. Donc totia yango mai ya moto, totie mai na biso ya moto. Après tokotika yango boye mpona 10 minutes nde tokoya kotala mbisi na biso. En attendant tosala pondu na biso. So we're gonna leave it like this for 10 minutes, and then we will come and check our fish. So guys, we finished with our fish. We washed our fish and removed all the dirty things inside. So make sure you take your time, guys, for the fish. Yeah, take your time, wash your fish, remove all the dirty, because if you don't, you're not gonna be able to eat your fish. Me, basically, I'm going to show you what I do. I don't rush with the fish. So I take my time to wash the fish, remove all the dirty. So mbisi na biso yango yo tosokoli yango tolongoli ba salite nyonso tu na kati. Donc ndenge bozomona, make sure penza olongola ba salite na yo bien na kati ya mbisi na yo, soki te okolia mbisi te. Donc zwata na yo ya kosala mbisi na bino, soki te okolia mbisi na yo bien te. So I'm going to show you what comes on the fish. So imagine, guys, if you don't wash it, so how are you going to eat your fish? Now, like sabino ba salite o ewuti na kati ya mbisi na biso, botala soki bosokoli mbisi na bino te, bokolia yango ndenge nini na ba salite wana. So this is what came inside the fish and outside. So imagine if you don't wash your fish, how are you gonna eat with those kind of dirty? So make sure you take your time, wash your fish properly before you cook the fish. Donc oyo basalite oyo wuti na kati ya mbisi. Donc soki o lame mbisi na yo boye, bien osali mbisi na yo boye na basalite oyo bokoka kolia ngo te po eza salite makasi na bazei na kati. Donc make sure ozwi pena ta na yo olongoli basalite nyonso oyo po mbisi na yo ezala bien. Take your time, do your fish, wash it, and then it's gonna be great for you guys. You know, good food is always the best. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to season my fish. So with the seasoning, I'm gonna use the same thing that I showed you at the beginning. Yeah, so I'm not gonna use anything else. I'll just use the same things that I showed you for the fish. Donc tokomi na moment oyo tolingi to saisonner mbisi na biso. Tozo saisonner mbisi na biso, tokosalela kaka ba ingredient on alakisa ebino na ebandeli ndenge nini ya nini o tokotia na kati ya mbisi na biso, yango nde tokosalela yango. Tokei na partie ya ko saisonner biloko na biso. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it all together, mix it with the fish. Siko to balusa ba ingredient na biso to china kati na mbisi na biso to balusa ngo penza. We're gonna mix it. You know, I always told you guys to take your time when you're in the kitchen. Don't rush. Just take your time. So if you rush, your food is not gonna be good. So take your time, guys. Take your time when you're in the kitchen. Donc toko mixer ba bilo na biso na mbisi na biso. Soki ozolamba penza ba mama bozwa batana bino na cuisine ezate ko koti cuisine 5 minutes obimite. Zo atana yo pena ozolamba okolamba penza oko chablo na mesa. Donc batu nyonso ba lie bilo penza ba yoki kete. Mama penza azana roboko oya lamba ka. Take your time to cook. When you finish cooking and you know serve people the food, you know, you will see what they will tell you guys, you know. Yeah, so we're going to mix our food now. So guys, we finished mixing it. So this is part 1. Yeah, so it's already 10 p.m. What I do, I put everything together today and then leave it for the night. Then I'll cook it tomorrow. So by tomorrow, everything will be inside the fish. The ingredient will go inside the fish, guys. Try this fish, you'll see. So you're gonna comment down below and let me know what you think. So it's 10 p.m. We're gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna cover and leave it like this. So we're gonna do it tomorrow morning. This is part 1. Part 2 is gonna come tomorrow. So check tomorrow on my YouTube channel. You will see what I'll do for the part 2. How we're going to cook our fish and cassava leaves. So always première partie. To sisi deja ko sangisa ba ingredient na biso na kati ya mbisi na biso. To sangisi yango to balusi yango penza ekoti na kati ya fish na biso ya mbisi na biso. Siko to tika ngo boye. To komi deja 22h. Donc 22h nde to salaka to saisonango lelo. Après nde to ko sala yango lobby. Donc lobby nde o eza partie ya liboso. Lobby to ja deuxième partie na biso ndenge ni to ko lamba pondu na biso na ndenge ni to ko sala mbisi na biso oyo bozomona awa yango nde to ko sala yango. Donc nde to sali bo to saisonango siko to zipa yango to tika yango elala. Butu mobima elala na saisonnement wana kota na kati ya mbisi na biso. Après lobby nde toko lamba mbisi na biso ou bien toko tumba toko kalinga mbisi na biso bokotala ka ndenge toko sala ngo. Donc merci na balandi nyonso tu bolanda deuxième partie nango lobby ndenge toko lamba ba biloko na biso pondu na biso mbisi na biso. Soki nanu osabone te na kosenga yo osabone kabola pe video na bandeko mosusu o bayebi te bango pe baya koyekola to yekola elongo tozo bakisaka please pona ba o ba s'abonner déjà nzambe apambola bino bisika bozali bo continuer ko tala ba video nanga bo continuer ko like ko share subscribe donc nzambe akozanga ko pambola bino te. Thank you guys. Wait for the second part tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to find out what we're going to do with our fish and how we're going to cook our cassava leaves. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I'll ask you to subscribe to my channel at Casey Kelly Joyce. Like, share, and subscribe. So make sure you share, you know, for other people to come and learn as well how to cook if they don't know, or if they know how to cook, they can also add. You know, we're just adding a lot of ideas, guys. So somebody might know as well. So they do cook it differently. So yeah, please, for those one haven't subscribed yet, I'll ask you to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our channels. May God bless you, and I will see you tomorrow with our second part. Thank you for watching. Merci na batali nyonso, merci na balandi nyonso. Tokutani mokolo ya lobby ndenge ni tokosala deuxième partie na biso. I'll see you tomorrow with our second part. May God bless you. See you. Bye bye. So guys, when it comes to cassava leaves, I don't cook my cassava leaves when it's frozen. You know, some people, I do see some people cooking it when it's frozen. Trust me, it doesn't taste nice. It doesn't. So what I do, take it out from the fridge, leave it outside for 2 to 3 hours, then that should be alright for you to cook. Or for me, like now it's 10 p.m. I just took it out from the fridge and then I'll leave it outside until tomorrow morning. Then that's when I'm going to cook. If you want to learn how to cook from me, you want to learn how to cook good food, nice food, tasty food, you know, do what I'm telling you guys to do. You will trust me and then leave me a comment. So yeah. And pona batu msusu pona nga na lambaka pondu nanga ndenge eza glace te. Donc eza na batu msusu baloba okoki kolamba pe pondu eza glace esala nango eloko te esalaka eloko po ezaka na goût penza te. So lambi pondu eza o eza na glace ezalaka goût te. Donc pona nga na salaka na bimisi yango libanda pona 2 heures bien 3 heures de temps efandi libanda glace nyonso esili. Après nde sikoyo na kolamba pondu nanga mais pona sikoyo naza 20 tokomi déjà 22 heures na bimisi yango libanda na tiki yango libanda glace nyonso penza esili. Après na simande na kolamba pondu nanga. Soko olingo lamba biloko bien olingo lamba pondu na yo goût ebima penza oyo kango penza pondu kolamba pondu na yo na glace te. Bimisa yango libanda glace nyonso tu esila nde okolamba pondu na yo ekozala penza kitoko makasi. Nde tosala sikoyo bolandaka ndenge mama Joyce osala. Yango yo pondu na biso tokotika yango libanda. Oyo eza première partie na biso.